Hi all, we will see about the security aspects, threats and prevention. So what is security aspect? So here we first topic is virus. What is virus? Virus is a small piece of software which can be put into your programs or your computer to impact your its daily working, like daily regular workings will be impacted by this viruses. So how it can impact? It can delete or steal your information. It can slow down your computer. It can steal your information within your computer. Okay, for example, a virus can be attached to a spreadsheet, and whenever you run or open that spreadsheet, it will trigger the program, and then virus will also run with that same program. How virus works? Virus is often used as common terms for all the miscellaneous programs, like which has a code which will be attached to itself to execute the piece of software. So whenever you run that software, it reproduces itself and runs that program. Virus can be spread by various means like CD, DVD, pen drive, and emails. There are various ways by that virus can be spread into your computer system, and virus can need some mean to go within your computer. So we will see in the next page. There are two types of virus. Viruses are it may corrupt or destroy data on your computer and use the email programs to spread itself. We told already, like previously, it can spread by using an email or within your computer, right? So it can also even impact your boot sector. While booting your computer, that booting can be also impacted by virus. And then also computer virus can divide into two categories, that is compiled virus and interpreted. So compiled viruses are mainly it's executed by the operating system itself, and interpreted viruses are piece of programs or which can be executed by the particular application or services. It is easy to generate. Here you can see the definition, you can just go through. And next we will go for the worms. Worms is a small piece of software which uses the computer network or security holes to replicate. So wherever they find or worms find some security holes or some gaps in the security, it will replicate to the other computers. So that's the reason we are operating our antivirus, and many precautions we are taking. You are using firewall and anything, right, to protect from worms and viruses. So how worms works? Like it copies itself to the new computer machines by the security holes, and there are many examples we have seen in the past which has impacted the worms which were impacting the big organization also. Like in 2004 January, there was a virus called MyDOM. It impacted almost millions of computers in a single day. So also into January 2007, there was a storm virus appeared, which also impacted many computers. It also steals information and destroy the computer's information. It's like by various means it impacts the company also. Okay, like I love you virus in 2000 has a similar effects. In 1999, there was a virus Melissa, that which was impacted the Microsoft and big organizations like this. So it was a really it's impacted the millions and millions of computers. So it was also a dangerous virus. Similarly, the next topic we'll go for the Trojan horses. Trojan horses is a very simple computer program, and the word Trojan is classified from the storm. Okay, so program which can damage your damage your computer's information or runs like a Trojan war. Trojan is a war was a olden time a war strategy or like a war which was a which may also the same thing was used in a computer science which can erase your data or completely erase your hard disk information. So Trojan horse target to the device system by using or executing the .exe file. There are different types of executable file, right? .bat, .exe. So it uses the .exe files to impact and install through the software. So this is about the Trojan horse. Now we will see about the HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol and HTTPS is for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So HTTP is used to transfer the it's a two types of protocols. HTTP was the older one. HTTP is S means secure. Previously it was less secure, so they moved to the secure one. And so HTTP is used to transfer the data over the web, and it uses the Internet Protocol suite, and it's an application layer protocol designed to transfer between the network devices. Its support number is 80, and HTTP is stateless protocol because each command is executed independently. It's all the commands runs independently. So also it defines the two commands it uses, which is get and post, which handles from the website. So HTTP is kind of client server based model it uses, where client demands something, server gives something, right? If I'm requesting some information from the Google and the client, and Google server is the server. This works on the client server model. HTTP server is typically a web host running web services software, and it is a stateless protocol. So next we will see about the HTTPS, where S stands for the secure. It was the upgraded protocol, an upgraded secure protocol to overcome from the disadvantages or problems from the HTTP, the previous version. HTTPS is a security protocol used to transfer data over the internet. HTTP is secure version of HTTP. We already discussed this topic, right? So HTTP has to encrypt the information. So initially, in HTTP there was encryption problem, which we overcome in this HTTPS protocol, and now here the information was encrypted between the client and server. Now we will talk about the cookies. Cookies is a web server transmits the certain messages to web browser. Okay, so cookies can also store your information wherever you go or wherever you search something, some information on the browser. It stores that information. So cookies cannot read your hard drives to find out information about you, but it can definitely get your websites you visited and your including credit and debit card information and other cookies details, which can be turned off, which you have to turn off the cookies thread to privacy. So cookies can contain information that you feel freely provide to the websites. Alright, so what is the uses? So session management, for tracking, for personalization, it uses the this is the uses of the cookies. So in the session management, cookies lets website allow users to recollect that individual logins information and preferences. So if you want to open a previous session, cookie helps to open the previous sessions. For tracking the previous sessions also it helps. So if you want to personalize some cookies information or your information, it helps to personalize that also. So these are all the uses of uses of cookies. So we have seen about various topics of CBSE board like virus, worms, and then we saw Trojan horse, HTTP and HTTPS, and cookies. We will see some more details in the next coming lecture. I hope this was useful. Just in the coming lecture, we will see about some more topics on the same. So, if you like this, please check out this other videos I have already uploaded for the securities. And thank you so much.